Donut Derby champion. Okay, let's pass all these parts. Ta-da! Okay, guys. So, oh wait, I just had this. Okay, that's. I passed a little bit of parts. Yes. Well, but my factory is building and building inside. Let's make this work. Yes, aircrafts that have been saved. Oh, let's be going. Oh no. Yes. Is that enough? Yes. Wait, what is this for? It's too pretty. Is it like puddles? Puddles. Okay, guys. Well, it was my birthday, so I have this cake. I want to keep them, but yes. Now look at my donut I had. I want to eat it. I'm eating it. Yum. Yum. It's so yummy, guys. You should taste it. Here, taste it. Oh, boom. Okay. Now give me it. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. I love donuts. Yes. Don't forget to watch the and subscribe. This one's a gift for me. Yes. This is like Christmas. I really like Christmas. Yes. Do you hear me, guys? I want to know. Don't hear me, guys. My sister tortured me. My sister tortured me. No, my sister tortured me. Well, I'm going to get my revenge. I'm just keep making videos. I must. Don't tell me to show my face. I'm telling you to, but no, I'm not telling you. I'm just sick, so don't tell me to show my face. They'll be like, maybe. Want to fight? Want to fight? You want to fight? Yes, it's going to die. You get money from this? I'm gonna take. Yes, you get money from it. You get money from it. I'm gonna kill more and more so I can get money. I have 200 and something. I had 200 and something, but now I have like more. Yes. I said, guys, prove it. So guys, prove it. See? No, what happened? Hopefully, it's saved. Hopefully, it's saved. So that it's saved. It's be unsaved. Oh my god, I keep falling. I need falling for myself. Oh my god. Okay, guys, so this is not working. This connecting. No, now we can message someone. Send the message is not working. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.